Get rich slow with John Wolf. Hey, I'm John Wolf. I'm a loan officer in Oregon and Washington, and I wanted to bring you an incredible opportunity that I just found. So apparently, the Washington Zero Down program is now offering an insanely low interest rate for zero down home buyers, which is just incredible. So here, I'm John Wolf. Here's my license information, and let's just jump right to it. Let me show you the crazy, amazing interest rate that they're offering with their zero down program. So they are offering 3% interest flat while giving you 4% of the loan amount towards your down payment. And this is an FHA loan, so you only need 3.5% down, which means they're even going to cover a decent chunk of your closing costs. What's more, if you're willing to spend one of those 4% they give you towards the buying down of the rate, you can get 2.75% interest. And by the way, you can have seller credit cover all of the other costs. So let me go over, in short, what you're going to need to qualify for this. So you're going to need to not currently own a home, or if you do, you have to sell it before you do this. You're going to have to make less than $145,000 a year. You're going to need to wanting to be buying some type of single family home. You're going to need an income that allows you to qualify for a home loan in general. You're going to need a 620 credit score. That's right, 620 credit score. If you have a 700 credit score, you still get the same great rate. If you have an 800 credit score, you still get the same great rate. That's right, you only need a 720 credit score. Now, exactly how does this program work? Okay, so whatever the loan amount is, they give you 4% of that amount towards your down payment and towards closing costs. That's going to be the entire down payment plus some of the closing costs. Then whatever that number is, let's say it was $12,000, they set up what's called a silent second. So you are eventually going to have to pay back that $12,000. You're never going to make a payment until the payback time comes, and you're never going to pay any interest on that. When does the payback come? Okay, so you have to pay it back. If you refinance the house, I don't know why you'd refinance to a higher interest rate, because I'd be shocked if I could ever get you a lower interest rate than that. You're going to pay it if you sell the house out of the proceeds of the sale, and you're going to pay it in 30 years if you finish paying off the house in 30 years. And then I think some type of a payment plan gets set up for you. I don't believe it's all due at once. Anyways, give me a call if you'd like me to qualify you for one of these loans. In order to lock the rate, here's what you need to know. So for me to lock your rate, I need at least the online application from you. I need one specific address. Sorry, you can't lock this rate in for multiple addresses. And I need you to take the online education class from the Washington State Housing, I'm forgetting their acronym. Anyways, I want to show you how to do that. Here's their website, WSHFC, Washington State Housing Finance Commission. Okay, I was close. And you'll get this page, then click on home buyers, click on home buyer education. And then this talks about there are normally free classes, but I don't think any of the free in-person classes are actually happening right now. But if you scroll to the bottom, you get right here, online course. And you do have to pay, this is not to me, but you have to pay, the course authors and the Housing Commission $50 per person to do it. Now, everybody buying the house needs to do this. Anyways, that's what you need to lock. A little bit of background you should know and just some ideas to get around it. I have been told by my Washington State real estate agent friends that the state of Washington has banned them, and I believe inspectors and appraisers, from going to people's homes. But you could absolutely go look at those homes online, and you can absolutely put an offer in on a home and then have a longer closing period. So you could do like a 45 and a 50-day close, and your real estate agent can help you set it up such that you will be able to pull out of the deal if you find something about the home after you can get a good look at it that you don't like. But if you pick a specific address and then you quickly get in contract, I'll be able to lock this insanely good interest rate. Now, I do want to let you know the housing department here publishes new interest rate every day, and I can only lock it during normal business hours. Anyways, please share this around, like, share, and subscribe. Tell all your friends, tell all your real estate agents about this great opportunity, because it's really is a killer opportunity. I mean, if you were a little bit on the fence about buying a home in, Vancouver or anywhere in Washington, this is a super compelling reason. Just so you know, I did the math for a specific purchase. I have 2 clients that are taking advantage of this right now, and they were looking at the 3% interest. The math for them on a specific house, taxes, insurance, and everything, they were going to be paying $2,250 a month to get, I believe it was a $385,000 home. That is insane, especially when it's zero down. They're not putting 3%, 5%, 10%, 20% down, zero down. Anyways, have an awesome day. Take care. Bye.